In the last 30 days, guys, this particular YouTube channel right here, which is a Faceless YouTube channel because they're not showing their face, has actually made between $683 to $10,000 in the last 30 days alone. And I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can do this exact same thing and get this exact same result using free AI tools. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be building all of this with free AI softwares. And trust me, you want to watch the video from beginning to the very end because I'm going to be leaving those turn on turn. Now, before we jump right in, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerald, and I'm based around making money in life. So what I do is that I try things out the work. I come right here, I show you guys exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same results. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to make a faceless YouTube automation channel with AI completely free, right? This means that you're not going to be spending any money to achieve this. And I'm going to be walking you guys through the entire process. So the first thing we need to do is to come straight to ChatGPT right here. We're going to come to ChatGPT and say, give me 100 YouTube channel niches. I hit enter. So we're going to wait for ChatGPT to generate this for us. So for those of you who don't know how to get to ChatGPT, the first link in this video description is going to take you straight to ChatGPT. So just click there and it's going to bring you to the interface. All you need to do is set up an account if you don't already have one. So these are all 100 YouTube channel niches that ChatGPT has given us, right? This is the first AI that we're looking at today. So we have technology reviews and tutorial, travel vlogs, beauty and all of this, right? But we already want to do what the channel just showed you guys do, which is basically philosophy and quotes, right? So ChatGPT has given us some of these historical facts and trivia, mobile app reviews, recommendation, cosplay tutorials and all of that, right? But we already know what we want to do, which is a quote or philosophy type of channel, right? That's what we want to do. So what I'm going to do right now is to come here and actually create a brand new channel. And this is a channel that we've created right here. It has my name and it has this and all of this. So we need to brand this channel right now. So first things first, we need to find a name for this particular channel. So what I'm going to do is to come back to ChatGPT and say, create a name for a philosophical YouTube channel. And I'm going to hit enter. So because we said create a name, he gave us just one name. So let's change this prompt and say, create 20 names. I'm going to hit save and submit, right? So you can give us a lot of options and we can choose the one that we actually want to use. So he has given us 20 names. Let's use this, right? I'm going to copy this. Right now, come back to our brand new channel and come to customize. I'm going to change the name to the name that ChatGPT just created for us. I'm going to come to where it says basic info, right? This is the name of our channel. I'm going to clean this, clean my name and put the name of our channel, which is Eternal Reflections. That's one. Then two, the handle of our channel, I'm also going to change this to Eternal Reflections. I'm going to close this, Eternal Reflections, and this is fine. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so the next thing is for us to write a description, and we're going to be telling ChatGPT to write this description for us. So I'm going to come back to ChatGPT here and say, write a very short description for a YouTube channel named Eternal Reflections. I'm going to say save and submit. And let's wait for ChatGPT to write this description for us. So I've written this for us. So I'm just going to click on copy here. To copy this, come back to our channel here, click here and Control V and paste in our description basically, right? So the next thing we need to do is to click on publish to publish what we have done, right? So let's go take a look at our channel by clicking on view channel to see what has been done. So okay, it says go to channel. I'm going to click on go to channel right here to look at the channel and see what we have done so far using AI, guys. So why this is happening, if you're getting any value from this video, I want to encourage you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification button if you've not done that. Or of course, give this video a like if you've not done that as well. Now, this is just the tip of the iceberg. I want to assure you that you actually want to watch this video to the very end because this is actually where it begins to get interested. Okay, so the name of our channel have changed to Eternal Reflections, and this name has changed also. And if you come to about, you're going to be seeing that our description is reflecting right here, right? Okay, so we are good to go. We are getting there. So I'm going to say, okay, home. I'm going to come back to home. Now, the next thing is for us to change this, right? And of course, put a banner right here. So to do that, we'll go to another free AI tool called canva.com, right? Now, the second link in this video description is going to take you straight to Canva, right? So I'm going to come here and search for logo or YouTube logo. I hit enter. So I'm going to come here to projects. Instead of template, I'm going to come to project. Or we can actually say with template, whichever. So let's find a free template. This one works. This is fine. So let's work with this, right? So I'm going to click on this and it's going to open up. I'm going to say customize this template. Okay, so I'm going to delete everything here. We don't need all of this, right? I'm going to delete this. I'm going to even delete this one, delete, right? I'm going to leave this blank. So I need this blank page. That's what we need. So I'm going to come here to where it says apps, right? And scroll down. I'm looking for this particular one, text to image. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to hit open right here. So this is going to open up here. Beautiful. I'm going to come back to ChatGPT and copy the name of our channel, which is Ethereal Reflections. I'm going to come here to Canva, drop it in here, and hit Filmic. Let's see what it's going to generate for us. So basically, it's going to generate an image, right, based on the text that we just gave to it. Okay, Ethereal Reflections. Okay, this is somebody reflecting. Let's see what watercolor does for us. Let's see what this one creates again. Let's see what happens with this one. Okay, this is not bad. This is not bad. But let's look at Jimmy and create again. Let's see what Canva gives us. Okay, yeah, I think I prefer this one. I'm going to click and drag it to this space. Bring it here at the edge. Then I'm going to fill this place right with this. Okay, beautiful. Okay, I like this. So I'm going to hit share. Come here to download and actually download this PNG or JPEG. I actually prefer JPEG because it's smaller in size normally. So I'm going to hit download right now, and that's it, right? So this is going to be downloaded to our local computer, and we have our logo right now. So let's go back to our YouTube channel and insert our logo where it should be. So this is our logo right here. I'm going to click on this. Okay, so I'm going to come here to upload right now and upload the image that we just generated with Canva right now as our logo. I'm going to double tap this guy, and it's going to come into this place. Okay, beautiful. This is good. I'm going to hit done, right? And our logo has been created. So our banner image needs to be created as well. So I'm going to come back to Canva and look for banner image, and I hit enter, and it's going to give us a lot of options. So I can basically click on anyone, right? Click on anyone, you use the same process, go to customize this template, then delete everything so we can get a blank document. So we can use that blank document to achieve whatever it is I want to achieve using AI. Okay, so I'm going to highlight everything here, right? Click and delete everything so we can have a blank canvas. And again, we're going to come back to apps. So we're going to come back here again, come to text to image, put in the name of our channel, and use Filmic again, right, to generate something that we can actually put here. I click on create image, and this is going to generate image for us using the text that we just gave to it. Okay, beautiful. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to drag this one, put it inside this place. Okay, this is good, right? So I'm going to come here to text, add text, right? Then put our channel name here, Eternal Reflections. I think this looks better white. So I'm going to come here and select white. I think that the white is not very good for this background. Okay, so I'm going to come here to elements, select a shape, this square shape, right? So as I click on it, it's going to come here, beautiful. So I'm going to bring this here. So I'm going to cover all of this place. So I'm going to change this to black. And I'm going to come here to transparency and reduce this transparency. So this way, this actually shows up. This actually becomes very clear. Eternal Reflections, beautiful. So I'm going to hit share right now and download. Right, you can download PNG, but I prefer JPEG again because it's smaller in size. So I'm going to click here, JPEG. Then I'm going to hit download. Then we wait for this to be downloaded to our local computer. So the download has finished. So I'm going to come back to our channel. Okay, so I'm going to click upload right here now, right? I'll upload the YouTube banner that we just created with Canva, So I'm going to double tap this, and this gets loaded into this space. Okay, so this is it right here. I'm going to hit done right now. Okay, so this has changed. It's Eternal Reflections. Beautiful. So I'm going to hit publish right now, and this gets published to our new YouTube channel. So it says changes, publish, go to channel. I'm going to click on go to channel right now. And that's what we've done with this brand new YouTube channel. And it is just about to get interesting because we're going to be creating our own videos with AI and publishing on this channel that we have just created right now. So I want to let you know that it's in your best interest that you actually continue watching this video. So this is what we have done with AI. We have moved our YouTube channel from boring to what it looks like right now. So you see the logo right here, Ethereal Reflections right here, and everything. So the next thing for us to do right now is actually create this video. Like how we create this video, we need a video idea and we need script for this video. And AI is going to be doing this for us. So I'm going to come back to ChatGPT right here. I'm going to say, write 10 philosophy quotes and who said them. I'm going to hit enter. And this is the point where we wait for ChatGPT to actually do this thing for us. So this is the one that I want to use. I'm going to choose this one randomly, right? We actually make videos on all of them, right? Subsequently, but we're going to be doing one right now. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to write a 250-word script of a short but captivating story to explain number 10, but make it easy to understand. And number 10 is, man is condemned to be free. I'm going to hit enter. I will wait for ChatGPT to write this script for us. So we have our script written by ChatGPT, which is an AI, right? So we need to convert this script into a voice, basically, right? So you can actually sit down and read this with your mouth, but that is not AI. We're going to be doing this an easy way, which is using AI to do this. Now, some of the AI tools that I normally would use are things like 11 Labs, right? Which has a lot of limitations. If you come here right now and hit generate right now, it's going to give you this error. Most likely you're going to be having this error, which means that they don't even have a free version. So they're doing false advertising, making it look like they have a free version, which they don't actually have, right? And this is the second one right here called Lovo.ai. Lovo.ai is also doing false advertising. They don't have a free version, because if you come here right now and generate this, and when you come to try to download, they will ask you for payment. So it is false advertising. They don't have a free version. Now, most other AIs don't actually have a free version, That's what I've come to notice. So I have this particular one right here, this picture right here that costs about $7, but I have paid for it, so you don't have to, right? What I'm going to be doing right now is to give you access to my Speechelo account so you can actually use it to do whatever you want to do. If you're excited, just go say thank you, Gerald, in the comment section, and I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how to contact me or any of my staff members to actually get the login details of this particular account sent to you. So let's continue. So right here, I'm logged into my Speechelo account, and I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, copy our script, right? Come back to Speechelo and drop our script in here, right? So we've brought our script in this place, and right here, we can actually select any language we want to use, right? So right now, we are sticking with English US, and we are going with standard voice, not AI, standard voice. And right here, we can actually select any of these. So we have Billy, we have Owen, which is a kid male. We have this, right, and all of this. So I'm going to be going with Billy. You can preview voiceover, listen to it before you download, or you can generate voiceover. So I'm going to hit generate voiceover right here. So I'm going to say generate my voiceover as it is, right? So we are blasting your text to voice. Please wait. This is the point where you wait. So your voiceover has been created. I'm going to say okay. And this is the voiceover that I just created right now, right? So I'm going to hit download right now. And this gets never asked me this again. No, just download, or you want to add background music. So I'm going to say no, just download, right? And this gets downloaded to my local computer right now. So this downloads right now. This is what 11 Labs and Lovo.ai failed to actually do for us. So if you know another one that actually is free, right, let us know in the comment section to help us, right? Me and others who don't know about it. Our AI has been generated by Speechelo, right? So the next thing we need to do right now is actually create our video for YouTube. So I'm going to come back to Canva right here, and I'm going to type YouTube video. I hit enter, and it's going to show me a lot of templates. Now, mind you, I don't want to use the templates. I'm going to be using a blank canvas. So I'm going to select this blank canvas here, click on it, and it's going to open in a new tab. Okay, so we need a background for this, right? And I think it's better if we actually use the background that we used for our YouTube channel art. Remember the background that we used? We can actually use that because it makes sense. I'm going to put the name of our channel right here. We used this to create that, right? Create image. So let's create something that we can actually use. Okay, so this is good. I'm going to click on this, and it's going to come into this space. So bring this here, drag this into place. So we have our background, right? So the next thing we need to do is to get the image of the person. And there's no better person than the person that actually said this. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come back to ChatGPT, copy the name of the person that actually said this, which is Jim Paul Satya. Copy this, right? Now come back to Canva, right? And search for profile image, right? Or just image or profile picture or whatever, right? So I'm trying to get a particular dimension. Okay, so this is fine. It's giving me quite a few. I'm going to click on this first one. Again, I'm looking for a blank template. I'm not going to be working on any of this. I'm going to customize this and delete everything right here. So I'm going to click here, drag, and highlight everything here and hit delete so that everything goes once. Click here and remove the background as well. So what we're going to do is to come back here to text to image, put in the name of this person that said this quote, select Jimmy, and hit create image. This AI is going to create an image of the person that actually said this quote. So we have quite a number of images right here, right? Okay, so I'm going to create again. So I'm not seeing something that I really like. I can click on create again, which is what I just did right now. Okay, so I think I like this. So I'm going to use this one that the head is not cutting off. Okay, so this is the image you want to use. So what I'm going to do right now is I click on share, click on download here, select this JPEG and download this to my local computer, right? So what we're trying to do right now is to remove the background so it fits into that space very well. So I'm going to come here, go to the next AI tool, which is remove.bg, right? Click on upload, right? And upload this image that we just downloaded right now from Canva. So this is it right here. I'm just going to double tap this guy and it's going to come here. And this AI is going to remove the background of this image for us automatically. It has done that right now. So I'm going to click download right now. And the new one without the background gets downloaded. So I'm going to come back to Canva, right? Come to upload right here. And now upload the one without the background. So I click on upload right here. Then I'm going to upload this one that doesn't have a background, which is this one. Double tap. It gets downloaded to our local computer right now. So this is it right here. So I'm going to click and bring it into this place. So you see how it fits here perfectly well. And I think that this image is conflicting with the background. They're almost conflicting with each other. So I'm going to make this background a bit darker. So again, I'm going to come here, put my famous square in the background. So I'm going to click this. It comes here, change this to black, bring this here as well, position, take it back. Click on this, transparency, bring this back down a bit. This is good, right? So you see that this has moved back and this is more visible as opposed to the background. So we are good. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on share. I click on download. Instead of download as MP4, I'm going to download this as JPEG, as an image, right? Or PNG, whichever is fine. I'm going to hit download, right? So we have gotten the character and we have gotten the background. Now, what we need to do right now is to create a video out of all of this, right? And make this character actually talk and say exactly what we want it to say. Easy, right? Let me show you how to do that, guys. So what I'm going to do right now is to come to the fifth link in this video description, right? And if I come here right now, it's going to bring me to this particular website. Now, this is where we actually get our character to talk, basically. And what you need to do right now is to click on try it now and actually set up an account. But because I already have an account on this website, I'm just going to go to straight to login and actually log into my account on this particular website called d-id.com. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on create video, right? Click on add to add the character with the background that we created inside of Canva. So it's going to open up right here and I'm going to double tap this guy, right? And it gets loaded into this particular interface right now. Okay, so the next thing for us to do is to select our script, either our script or our audio. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on audio, right? And upload your own voice. So this is going to load up, right? Okay, so this is our audio right here that we created with speech hello. So I'm going to double tap this guy and this is loading up right now. So let's just give it a while. So what it says right now is generate video. So we're going to generate our video right now and let's see what's going to happen. So this, I'm going to say generate and this process begins. Okay, so our video has been generated right now. So we can actually play this video.
In a bustling city, a young man named Ethan found himself engulfed in the chaos of it.
So our video has been created and this is what it looks like, right? So you see our character has been brought to life, right? It can even move and talk and all of that. This is actually the tip of where it begins to get interesting again. I'm going to hit download right now and this gets downloaded to my local computer right now. So it says downloading right here. So we're going to wait for this download to finish. So we have downloaded this, right? So the next thing we need to do right now is to go to the sixth link in this video description and click on it. And it's going to bring us to this interface. Of course, you need to set up an account and do all of the usual rituals. So I'm going to come here because I already have an account that I'm signed in. I'm going to come here and click on create new project, right? You know, this is actually the final step and it's actually the most interesting, most complicated. So you need to actually pay attention. So I'm going to come here right now, upload your file. So I'm going to upload this file, click on upload file and upload the video that we just downloaded, right? The character we brought to life, that's what I'm going to be uploading right here. And this is the video right now. So I'm going to double tap this and this video gets loaded into this particular interface right now. So this is our video. It has been loaded into this particular interface right now. So what we need to do right now is to come to subtitle here. I select auto transcribe, US English and click on create subtitle. And this is loading. It says uploading source. So we're just going to chill and wait for this final AI to do its job. Okay, so let's play this and see what happens. So I click on play.
In a A young man named Ethan found himself engulfed in the chaos of everyday life, surrounded by towering buildings and hurried pedestrians.
Okay, so this is the subtitle right here, but we don't want it to, we want it to be here, right? So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring this cursor here, right? And I'm gonna take this up and let this stay here. So let's play this again and make sure we have achieved that. So play.
In a bustling city, a young man named Ethan found himself engulfed in the chaos of everyday life, surrounded by towering buildings and hurried pedestrians.
Okay, beautiful. So I'm gonna say done, right? Or we can actually play around with the settings of this, the text, the font, writing, you know, all of this, text, style, and all. We can actually change this if we want to. So we can actually use this to change this, the elements, you know, stylings and all of that. You can. So I'm gonna leave it the way it is, right? I'm gonna leave it the way it is. So I'm gonna hit done, right? So I'm done with this right now. So I hit done. Okay. So I'm gonna say export video. I'm gonna say leave. So it says we are getting your video ready. So we're just gonna wait 91%. This doesn't take a lot of time, 100%, and the video is ready. So if you click on play right now, it is gonna play. So all we need to do is to come here, click on this download button and select MP4. Want to export as MP4. So select MP4, and this gets downloaded to the local computer. But if you look at my screen right now, you're going to be seeing that there is actually a problem. And that problem is the fact that this video has watermarks on it. This one here from v.io, which is the last website I will just use, and this d.id at the bottom left of our screen, right? So we can actually remove that using another AI tool to actually remove that. Okay, so we need to remove those watermarks, right? And what we're going to do is to come to this particular interface right now. Now I come here to upload. I'm going to upload our video right here. So I'm going to double tap this. So we're going to wait for this to upload. It says processing. Let's wait for this upload to complete. So this has finished loading right now. So what we're going to do right now is to select, I think I want to use a standard or AI model, right? Let's go with standard. So I'm going to click on this and it's going to show here. So we'll put this over or we want to clean and bring this here. So the next one, add area, then use it to cover this plate. So I'm going to hit remove object now, right? And it's going to prompt me to actually set up an account. Now, what you need to do right now is just create account. So I'm going to put in my email address right here, my password, and hit create account to set up an account on this particular interface right now. So it says enter the code sent to your email. I'm going to put that code right here. So I'm going to hit verify code. It says success. Your account has been created. That was easy. So it says processing. Please wait. We're waiting for the watermark to be removed automatically by this AI. So you see our video right now without that watermark right now. So what I'm going to do is to click on download, right? And this gets downloaded without the watermark, easy, right? So the next thing we need to do right now is to upload this video to YouTube, right? And publish it for the whole world to see it. Let me show you guys how to do that. Okay, so this has been downloaded to our local computer right now. So I'm going to close this. Okay, so let's come back to YouTube right now where we upload this. So this is our YouTube channel right here. Come to upload video. I'm going to select this, right, upload. I'm going to come here and select our video, the last one. This is this one, right? So double tap this and this gets uploaded to YouTube, right, instantly. Now, we need to put a title for this particular video or we go back to ChatGPT to get a title for us. So I'm going to come back to ChatGPT. First of all, I'm going to copy this, which is the post that we actually did the video for. Then I'm going to come here to ChatGPT and say, write a click-worthy 16 words title for a YouTube video about man is condemned to be free. I'm going to say enter, right? So ChatGPT is going to come up with something for us. Unlocking the paradox. Why man is condemned to be free? Who is the key to life's meaning? Let's even tweak this a bit and get options. Write 10. Click-worthy 16 words. Okay, so let's do 10 for us and we choose one out of the 10. That way we have a lot of options to choose from. So ChatGPT has written 10 potential titles for us, right? I think I prefer this one, Escaping the Illusion. So I'm going to copy this, come back to YouTube, remove this and put our own here. Escaping the Illusion, discovering the true freedom in man is condemned to be free, right? So the next thing we need to do is to tell ChatGPT to write a description for us. So I'm going to come back to ChatGPT and say, write a short description for a YouTube video about man is condemned to be free. I'm going to hit enter and ChatGPT begins to do this thing for us. Okay, he has written this for us. So I'm going to copy everything that he has done, come back to YouTube and drop this inside of our description box, right? Now, the next thing for us to do is our thumbnail, right? But before that, let me show you one more thing. If I come here right now, I'm going to say, no, it is not made for kids. Click on show. And there's something called tags right here, which ChatGPT is also going to get for us. So I'm going to come to ChatGPT and say, write tags for a YouTube video titled, Escaping the Illusion, Discovering the Truth in Man is Condemned to be Free. Enter. Okay, so he has written this tag for us. I'm going to copy all of these tags. Copy all of these tags, Control C. Or I can tell ChatGPT to actually separate this with commas. Come here and say, separate the tags with comma. Okay, beautiful. So he has separated it with comma, so it's easy for us to now implement. So I'm going to copy this right now. Control C, come back to YouTube and paste this in. See, beautiful, right? Did a good job for us. What is remaining right now is for us to put our thumbnail right here, right? And let me show you how to do that easy. So I'm going to come back to Canva. Come here to Canva and type YouTube thumbnail. Hit enter. Okay, so I'm going to hit this blank canvas again, blank canvas. So I'm going to come here to upload, click on upload here, and upload this our design. Upload this right here, bring this here to cover all the spaces that we have, right? I'm going to come back to ChatGPT and copy that with the quotes. Man is condemned to be free. I'm going to copy this quote, Control C. I'm going to come to Canva, click on text, then come here and type quote. So it's going to show me all of this. So I'm going to click on this and bring it into this space. Okay, this is highlighted. Change this to white. I'm going to double tap this guy, highlight this, then put in our own stuff. Man is condemned to be free. Highlight everything here, all caps. Then who said this? Jendo. We're going to put his name here. Change Jendo to Jim Paul Sata. I'm going to come here, change this Jendo to Jim Paul Sata. Click on this guy, ungroup this guy. You can manipulate this one separately. Man is condemned to the free, and we have our thumbnail. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on share, come to download, change this to JPEG, and hit download, and our thumbnail gets downloaded to our local computer. That is easy, right? Super easy. And I'm going to come here right now, upload thumbnail, right? Select the thumbnail that we just downloaded right now, which is this. Man is condemned to be free. Our thumbnail stays here, gets here. And what we need to do right now is to click on next, click on next, click on next, and go to public to publish this video. And hit publish, and this video gets published on our local computer. As a matter of fact, the link to this video is going to be the last link in the video description, right? So click on it and actually watch this video to see exactly what we created together, right? And if you do the exact same, you're going to be getting the exact same result. But let me show you what this video looks like. So I'm going to click on this place right now. This video is going to open up right now, and this is exactly what it looks like.
Man named Ethan found himself engulfed in the chaos of everyday life, surrounded by towering buildings and hurried pedestrians. He couldn't help but feel trapped within the confines of his own existence. Restless and searching for answers, he stumbled upon it.
So if you do this over and over and over again and post on YouTube over and over and over again, at some point you're going to meet the requirement for monetization, which is 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. And once you get to that, your YouTube channel gets monetized, and you can start making money from these particular videos. Now, people that are doing it are making at least $700 to $10,000 every single month, and there's no reason why you should not join that bandwagon. You can also create content on TikTok, on Instagram, and all the other platforms using this same method. If you want me to make a video showing you guys exactly how to do that, let me know in the comment section, and I will not hesitate to actually make that video for you guys, right? So if you want to watch my video on how to remove watermark using AI, this video showing up right here is going to show you guys exactly how to do that, guys. So until I see you in my next video, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.